Do it like that. Then do it like this.
What if I told you that simply blocking a beam of light can instantly turn an LED on? That's exactly what we're building today in day 11 of our 37 sensors challenge, using the Light Blocking Diode Module and Arduino UNO. For this project, we need an Arduino UNO, a light blocking module, LED and resistor, a breadboard, jumper wires, and a USB power cable. First, let's connect the circuit.
First, connect the light blocking module by wiring VCC to 5 volts, GND to GND, and the signal pin to digital pin 2 of the Arduino UNO. Then connect an LED by connecting its anode to digital pin 7 through a 220 ohm resistor, and its cathode to GND. In the code, Arduino reads the sensor on pin 2 using digital read. When an object blocks the infrared beam, the sensor outputs low and Arduino turns the LED on pin 7 on. When the beam is clear again, the LED turns off instantly. Upload the code, place any object between the sensor gap, and the LED responds immediately. This is the same principle used in printers, encoders, and object counting systems. Follow Circuit Head Tech for day 12 of the 37 Sensors Challenge.